Hello, Kadam. Welcome to one Naravla podcast with me, Galani Jacob. You were used to follow me finish lo Facebook page me. Thank you to mas for follow most of share all positive vibes through lo Facebook page me through lo post all content we must put them out. Me not been come out long time to put them out one video. But now you stop joining me lo YouTube channel for me. Suppose you not subscribe yet, please click the subscribe button. More turn on notification bell. Blow you have all notification that you stop with model content and we come out law page me. Now yeah, you may stop come to promote them more content law YouTube channel me. So by in the following days to come, by you stop with them out a series of content whereby me help them you were used to follow me finish you may service every content we stop with them out and me help them promote them financial literacy and particularly law walk about premier all business owners. You will use the startup law one small business for you or you stop climb steps finish go or talk we boily come out but me blow help him blow you me save manage money inside law business for me. How will me record him? How will me read him? More how now but you me save manage him reading yeah I mean help him me blow how now you me save manage money me inside the business for me moving forward. So all content we aims to put them out and me come to help him you and me give him all practical steps for you give him all practical tools where is help him you you move on lo business for you know need you come from one accountant blow you join him you may blame story and law money inside the business for you but at least you have how now you have handling money inside the business for you blame make him say business for you me move forward. So suppose you stop joining me Kasem now yeah please follow him me lo Facebook more same time you click lo subscribe lo YouTube channel me lo in the next couple of weeks by you stop continue to put out all content and they used to follow him step by step by him to help him you blow you have manage money inside the business you have a better recording money inside the business you blow you have a reading more you have how now you money and you stop flow in and out inside the business plan. Inside the business, you got all challenges whereby you face them or sometimes, but you think say hey, me need to do with them one hour or something, and we got too much so small something we involve inside one business sometimes, but you think say and me 1 hour or something when in fact and me want something else. So lo side play me, but you can help them you me, bring me got more clarity lo how now you must have a move forward inside lo business play me through lo all different techniques or different something you must spot them out possible red flags or different something where you have find them easily but make them say you have move on the business for you. So back again subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell look at my notification then you put them out content and looking you next time we come back to put them out one more content back again. Leave him one comment below lo some little challenges where you start facing inside your business for you. Thank you back again. More looking you next time.